Before operation, wear a safety helmet. Check if the vehicle is in good condition and if the roadbed is solid. Check for oil leakage. Check the hydraulic oil tank level. Is the fuel tank valve open? Enter the cab, apply the handbrake, and press the clutch. Turn on the power take-off switch. Slow release of the clutch, not too fast, otherwise it may damage the power take-off or gearbox. Extend the outrigger. Lift out the front and rear horizontal support boom first. Extend the front and rear support feet. If the road surface is uneven, the front, rear, left, and right legs can be individually adjusted. Confirm that the vehicle is level and without tilting before opening the transfer valve. To extend the boom, first turn on the emergency stop switch. The operation box starts to be powered on. First raise the forearm, then raise the second boom. Extend your arms at the end. Alternate lifting to reach working height. The working boom can rotate 360 degrees and equipped with an auxiliary hook of up to 900 kilograms. Manual hydraulic operation system for lifting arms at the platform. When the operation of the electronic control system fails, manual hydraulic operation can be used. Safe and stable operation of each working boom. Hanging bucket operation. When the driver enters the hanging bucket, must fasten seat belts and wear safety helmets. The hanging basket is equipped with lighting for convenient night work, equipped with remote start and stop functions. After reaching the working height, the engine can be remotely turned off. Wait until the work is completed before starting the engine. To save fuel. Arm retraction operation. First lower the second boom and then lower the main boom. Finally, lower the main boom until it is fully lowered into the clamp seat. Retract the forearm. Turn off the emergency stop switch after completing arm retraction. Outrigger retraction operation. Close the transfer switch. First, retract the front and rear legs only. After the support legs are fully retracted, retract the horizontal transverse support boom. Close operation. Enter the cab and press the clutch. Turn off the power take-off switch. Driving away from the work area.